Hello guys, welcome back to Chef The Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bafethu, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video if you find the video informative. So bafethu la ngizokhuluma kahle kahle ke ngodaba likagogo Maweni. Ukuthi ke ngabe kwenzakalani, ikuphi mhlambe ekuthini singakusho ngalokho. I've seen endabeni, I've seen on social media ukuthi ugogo Maweni was arrested yabo. Abangazi ke maybe mhlambe khona ke okuncane ozokucosha kuyona le video. I'm sure mhlambe khona futhi naseyindaweni la usuke wathola khona ukuthi okay fine kwenzakalani kahle kahle. So what is happening lapha ke i-question esinayo ukuthi ke is it true ukuthi ugogo Maweni was arrested? Yes, it is true. Njengoba nibona nje ithombe uyabo. I've seen ke kuma sources ahlukahlukene lapha ya. One of the sources engithole khona kuthiwa ke yes gogo Maweni lapha ke was arrested. She is the renowned traditional healer and a reality TV star. Siyakhumbula ukuthi une reality TV show yakhe akayenzayo. So she was recently arrested. She faces a serious challenge. Actually, she is facing serious charges, including assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm and links to multiple murder cases spanning from 2020 to 2024. So her arrest followed a social media feud and an ongoing public dispute with a fellow traditional healer esimazi-ke nguGogo Skhotheni. We remember uGogo Skhotheni was wafonela ke omunye wosisi laphayana ke emfakazisa ke emtshela futhi ukuthi naye engamsiza uma ke kuza kuyona leyo case. Gogo Maweni appeared in the Pretoria Magistrate Court ngomhla ka-20 January kuona ke lo nyaka 2025, where her bail application was postponed to January mhla ka-27 2025. So she remains in police custody until kuze kube ukuthi ke uyovela futhi ke khona ke enkantolo. So bafethu, if udinga mhlambe ke ama details futhi ke aphelele kahle kahle kakhulukazi ngako lapha yana ke ukuboshwa kwakhe ugogo Maweni, you can go lapha yana ke ku Briefly News, because ila engithole khona ke nami uthi ngilandelele kahle kahle lolu daba ukuthi ke lumayelana nani. So let's go lapha yana ke sibone kahle kahle iwona lama details. I'll go lapha yana ke ku Briefly News yabo, ngesithole kahle ukuthi ke what exactly is happening. Lapha yana ke babhalile ukuthi ke the suspect was detained at Mindo SAPS and will be appearing in the Pretoria Magistrate Court njoba ke sikhumbula ukuthi ke uye wavela lapha ke ngomhla ka-20. This comes shortly after uGogo Skhotheni accused Maweni of being a murderer, right? Although the ladies eventually called laphana ke for peace in between bona ke yabo, because siyayikhumbula leya feud yabo ke noma ke leyangxabano yabo ukuthi ke kwahamba I think mhlambe kube nabantu ababa consent ngaleyo ndlela baze baba ukuthi ke baya babonisa ukuthi no bafowethu sicela ukuthi ke niqazilule lenkinga yenu, and because akuyona into ekumele ngabe bona as ama traditional healers or abantu ke asebe ama public figures kanje ayam begcine ke beloke beqhubekile beyenzile, because it doesn't give mhlambe ke isibonelo esihle even nakwezinye naseyinganeni nje kahle kahle noma nakwi public yonkana yabo. So now sesiya lapha ke question lapha ethi ke ngempela kwakubalekile yini noma ke sasikhona isidingo sokuthi ke uGogo Skhotheni agcine ke eveza ke izinto lapha yana ke ezifana naleza agcina ke eveza yabo. So ake siya lapha ngibone ipost ka ubani uPhabalo Maseko othe yena lapha on X, I think yeah it's X, uthi ke clearly Gogo Maweni is not a real sangoma because why is she using guns to deal with people and not bones. She has so much confidence in, njengoba ke siyesibone laphana ngokwendlela ke asuke esho ngayo naye ukuthi ke she is powerful, engenza noma yini kubantu ke abanjani ke abangizothi ke abamdelelayo noma abantu ke abalwisana naye kakhulukazi, uyabo. So enye ke ama details ke ecase la yana ke ukuvulwa kwayo icase lapha kuthiweni ke on Sunday mhla ka 19 January 2025 at about 8 o'clock, members from the Gauteng province called Cold Case Investigation Unit and members of Ilontozana Gauteng, I think SAPS, yeah, they went on, they were given kahle ngizothi ithiwa lento imvume, yes, ukuthi ke begcine behamba beye laphana ke ukuyo bopha ngamanye amazwi yena uGogo Maweni. So Gogo Maweni just got arrested after loco for murder, and her team is making sure that no one hears of it. So kwagcina kodwa ke kuvelile because ke South Africa la angeke kwazi ukuthi ke singagcina ke singazizwanga izinto ke ezifana nelezo after ke ingxabano yabo ngendlela yayingakhona, yabo. So ama South Africans ke bafethu ke we know ukuthi ke ngeke behlale bengaphawuli ngalo lolu daba, njengoba nathi ke sikwazi ukuthi sigcina sikreportela or else mhlambe sigcina sifuna ukuzwa nawe imbono yakho ukuthi ke what do you think of this case. Do you think ngempela uMaweni wayenza lento le kuthiwa ke allegedly wayenza? Here's what abantu ke ba South Africa said about uGogo Maweni kuyona ke le arrest ke as was alleged, yabo. So most of abantu ke bathukile bafethu, they are in shock, more so about the alleged murder charges, and are demanding ama-answers kuyena ke laphana ke uGogo Maweni, yabo. Laphana ke nje la ngizokhuluma ke ngomunye ke oye waposta noma ke waphawula ngalolu daba, kubhalwe lapha ihandle yakhona izindaba zabantu, said it's said that SAPS only woke up to do their job because of a TikTok live, yabo. Lento ya TikTok bafethu kumele sibheke nganhlangothi zonke because at the same time iyabagaqelisa kakhulu abantu, yabo. Yena she thought she was at peace, but kwangagcina kwenzeka ngendlela yena acabanga ukuthi ke izinto zizohamba smooth ngakhona, ngendlela akade khuluma ngayo, ngendlela nje ebekuvela ngayo izinto ngakhona ngayo, yabo. Ukholeni laphana ukuthi uthi ke wait, Gogo Maweni is a suspect in 5 murders, umbuzo lowo, yabo. Bese kuba khona ke laphana ke uthi ke ubandla ihandle yakhe ithi ke I am Guda Maynard. She was confused, yabo, ukuthi ngempela uGogo Maweni is a serial killer as alleged. We don't know bafethu, but kuningi nje abantu aba consent ngakho, yabo, ukuthi ngempela lo sisi lo if ever kuyinto iqiniso le ama allegations ngaye, ngabe ngempela engayenza into efana nale. If eyenza ikuphi ke akuzuzayo ngalokho. uDuke uthi laphana ke, so when Gogo Skhotheni was on a rant asking questions about these cases, she actually opened a can of worms. She really wanted Gogo Maweni arrested and she did it. Okay, fine. Umbono womuntu njalo lo bafethu. Umathidiso laphana uthe yena, oh, she must go to prison because what the hell is this? Bese sivala ngosubs laphana ke uthi yena, I knew she had lost all conscience after digging people's graves at midnight on live TV. Laphana ke kusho yena ke usubs. Okay, fine bafowethu ke. Okumele nikwazi ke ngogogo Maweni ilokhuyana ke. Mkhotoli N Makopo, popularly known as Gogo Maweni, was born laphana ke ngomhla ka 29 August 1986 in Sandton khona eGauteng. She is a renowned sangoma, as we have said, a reality TV star and a social media influencer whose spiritual practices and unique lifestyle have gained a widespread attention and mixed reactions. Ukuthi ke fine, in as much as successful, in as much as practice ubungoma bakhe ngendlela enza ngayo, abantu kodwa ke bashiya benemibuzo lokho ukuthi ke kungani enza ngalendlela enza ngayo. Yabo, uma wena attended isikole laphana ke i-primary for furthering ama studies akhe, waphinde futhi waya lapha e-college ebizwa Manhattanville laphana ke, and waseya ke e-University of Johannesburg according to information esiyitholayo. So she is really a certified sangoma. She specialized in ancestral communication to diagnose, guide and treat ama-individuals njengoba ke sazi ukuthi ke ngempela into noma izinto kade indlela asebenza ngayo. Beyond her healing work, she runs a successful business offering consultations and herbal remedies. Uphinde ke futhi ke abe umuntu sakhumbula ukuthi ke waveza imiqasho, uqashisa ngezindlu, like rental homes. Gogo Maweni is also a reality TV personality known for appearing on Izangoma Zodumo, a show that delves into the lives of traditional healers. While she has earned admiration for her dedication to African healing methods, her practices often invite curiously skepticism. Okunye ke okugcina ke ku-expose laphana kuGogo Maweni, in the earlier reports laphana ke njengoba sesasho ukuthi sithole lapha ku-Briefly News, uye washare online, yabona ke there are so many reactions by South Africans ukuthi ke ukuthreatenishana kwakhe noma ke ukuba kwakhe sengxabanweni noGogo Sikhotheni ikona okugcina kumholela kulobu mnyama ke asekubona njengamanje. So asazi ke bafethu ukuthi iyophelela laphi, asazi uzoba successful ngecase noma cha, but at this moment i-case yakhe noma ke amacala abhekene nawo bafethu are too much. Ngokwama-allegations, this is too much. So according to the post, the woman accused Maweni of putting her life in danger, even involving Inkabi in doing her dirty work. Into ke ama-allegations lawa since ke kodwa ke zonke lezi ndaba zisenkantolo, sesilindele wona umhla ka 27 siza ukuthi ngempela ke icala leli lihamba up to how far. Anyways bafethu, ngingafisa nami ukuzwa nina ukuthi ke nina ikuphi engakuphawula ngale case noma ngalama allegations enziwe against uGogo Maweni. Do you think uGogo Sikhotheni is the main factor kuyona yonke lento egcina yenzeka kuyena ke uGogo Maweni? If you have anything to say, please do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe bafethu kuyona channel. Angibonge, danko.